Hello, my friend, and welcome back to Everyday American English. I am Charlie, your guide and teacher in this journey to learn real American English. Remember, you can enjoy this podcast while driving, walking, cooking, or doing your chores. English learning can fit into your everyday life. Today, we are going to the post office with our friend David. Let's listen carefully to his story. It's a cold Tuesday morning. David has a small box in his hands. Inside the box, there's a warm sweater for his mother's birthday. He wants to send it to her because she lives in another state. David walks into the post office. The big glass doors open, and he sees a long line of people waiting. Some people are holding letters, others are carrying big packages. The American flag is hanging outside, and the sound of people talking fills the room. David takes a deep breath and joins the line. While waiting, he looks around. A woman is filling out a form, a man is buying stamps, and another customer is asking about passport applications. Finally, it's David's turn. He walks up to the counter. The clerk smiles and says, "Good morning. How can I help you today?" David replies politely, "Good morning. I'd like to send this package to Chicago. It's a birthday gift for my mom." The clerk asks, "Do you want priority shipping or regular shipping?" David looks confused. He says, "What's the difference?" The clerk explains, "Priority shipping is faster. It usually takes 2 to 3 days. Regular shipping is cheaper, but it may take a week." David thinks for a moment and says, "Her birthday is in 4 days, so I think I need priority shipping." The clerk nods. "Great choice. Do you want insurance for this package?" David asks, "What does insurance mean?" The clerk replies, "Insurance means that if your package is lost or damaged, the post office will give you money back." David smiles. "I see. No, thank you. No insurance today." The clerk types on the computer and says, "That will be $12.50. David takes out his wallet and pays. The clerk gives him a receipt and says, "Here's your tracking number. You can use it online to see where your package is." David looks at the paper and says, "Thank you. That's very helpful." The clerk replies with a friendly smile, "You're welcome. Have a great day." David leaves the post office feeling happy and proud. He has sent his package and he knows his mom will get her birthday gift on time. Now let's check your understanding of the story. I will ask questions and then I will give the answer in a full sentence. What did David want to send? What did David want to send? David wanted to send a sweater to his mom. Where does his mom live? Where does his mom live? His mom lives in another state in Chicago. What was the difference between a priority shipping and regular shipping? What was the difference between a priority shipping and regular shipping? Priority shipping was faster and regular shipping was cheaper but slower. Why did David choose priority shipping? Why did David choose priority shipping? David chose priority shipping because his mom's birthday was in 4 days. What did the clerk give David after he paid? What did the clerk give David after he paid? The clerk gave David a receipt and a tracking number. Excellent. If you could answer these questions, it means you understood the story very well. Now, let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. I'd like to send this package. I'd like to send this package. How much does priority shipping cost? How much does priority shipping cost? Do you want insurance for this package? Do you want insurance for this package? Here's your tracking number. Here's your tracking number. The more you repeat these sentences, the more natural they will sound. Let's review some useful words from today's story. Priority shipping. Fast delivery, usually 2 to 3 days. Receipt, a piece of paper that shows proof of payment. Insurance, protection that gives you money back if something is lost or damaged. Here's today's tip. Whenever you learn new vocabulary, try to connect it to a real situation in your life. For example, if you learn the word receipt, don't just repeat it. Say, I need a receipt for my groceries. This way, you train your brain to use English in real life. That's all for today's episode of Everyday American English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new class. Thank you for learning with me, Charlie. See you in the next episode.